Hey there, by the end of this video, you're going to know what is affiliate marketing and how to get started the right way. Affiliate marketing is when you sell other people's products and you get a commission every time somebody buys through your own affiliate link. How do we get started in affiliate marketing? First of all, we have to choose a niche and the 3 core desires that we desire as human beings. What are those 3 desires? They are health, wealth, and relationships. We all want to get healthy. We all want to live long lives, and the only way we're going to do that is by being healthy. We all want to be wealthy. We all want to be, come on, like you tell me you don't want to have wealth, you don't want to be rich, you don't want to be able to travel or help out your parents, or you tell me you don't want any of that. We all want to have great relationships with our spouses, with our friends, with our kids, if you happen to have kids. So when you choose a niche, make sure it goes into one of those 3 categories. Once you choose a niche, you're going to pick a product. So let's say you decide to focus on wealth. You could decide to be an affiliate for somebody that sells the real estate courses. You could decide to be an affiliate for somebody that sells e-commerce courses. Anything that's in the wealth industry. There's so many different areas of the wealth industry that you could find a product to be an affiliate for. Nowadays, everybody wants to know how to make some extra money, whether it's in affiliate marketing, e-commerce, real estate, you name it. Next up is the health industry. If you want to go into health, you could be an affiliate for a supplement company. You could be an affiliate for somebody that's selling the fitness programs. You could be an affiliate for many things. If you're going into the relationship niche, you could choose a product to be an affiliate for somebody that's selling their dating program, for somebody that's selling the program for couple counseling, whatever it is. There are many niches in the relationship market. There are many niches in the wealth industry. There are many niches to choose from in the health industry. You can pick whatever niche you want, but those are the 3 niches that you should focus on. Once you choose your product, many of you are probably thinking, okay, I chose my product. Now I just have to drive traffic straight to my affiliate link. The more people that I get through my affiliate link, the more probabilities that I have of getting a sale. That is the wrong way to go about affiliate marketing. Why is that the wrong way to go about affiliate marketing? Because no one buys the first time they see something. Right now, people's attention span are very low. And usually they might see your product and they might just get distracted by another product and not buy it. If what you do is just send traffic straight to your own affiliate link, and let's say you're saying 100 clicks to that affiliate link. Out of those 100 people, I'm telling you right now, there's a big chance that out of those 100 people, no one will buy from your affiliate link. So what happened right there if nobody bought? You lost all of those 100 people that clicked on your link. So what you have to do is find a way to follow up with people, and that way is by collecting some type of contact information. The most common one is the email. So yes, you have to start building your own email list. So what you do instead of sending people straight to your own affiliate link, is build a landing page. You send traffic to the landing page. You give something out for free in the landing page that complements the product that you're promoting. Out of those 100 people that you sent to your own landing page, probably 30 of those people would put in their email address. So once you send people to the landing page, you collect their email address. Right after you collect their email address, you send them to your own affiliate link. That way, even if they don't buy through your affiliate link, you can still find a way to follow up with them through your own autoresponders. Hey there, if you're really interested in getting started with affiliate marketing, I have a free mini course down below that will teach you how to get started with affiliate marketing the right way. And if you're worried that you're just a beginner, don't worry, this is very beginner friendly. And there's a wise man that once said,
you don't have to be great to get started, but you have to get started to be great.
So let's just get started.